What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Lone Star Bassin. Today we're going to be doing some pond fishing, some creek fishing, pretty much anything that we can find some fish in. And I'm going to be throwing a 90 size whopper plopper in the rainbow trout color. And that's the creek we're going to be looking for some fish in. So a few other spots. We'll be fishing a few ponds. As you might be able to tell, the sky, it's overcast. It's been raining off and on today. Little drizzly, but see if we can catch them. See you in a little bit. There's one. Oh, and first one on the upper plopper. Not terrible. See if we can't catch any. There's one. Oh! First cast. Wait. Water skiing in. There we go. Whoa! Okay. All these fish are really long and pretty skinny. But there we go. What in the world? What? Literally the size of the lure that I just tried to eat. That's crazy. Literally the size. Alright. Just let him go. There he is. Oh, I false hooked him. Technically, he went for it. Dang, not a bad one. Out of the creek. There's one. Not a half bad one. Oh. Dang. Barely hooked. Top one came right out. Dang. Alright guys, so just broke off on my whopper plopper on some brush down there in the creek. Sucks that I lost a pretty nice lure and the fishing was just getting pretty good. I just found the pattern down the creek. So that was the only lure I brought today, so I'm going to head home. I might get a few new lures and come back because the fishing's pretty good. But if this is all, I hope you guys like the video and subscribe for more.